have here what we call Haven, which is a number of clouds that you can go inside. These are pods that you can go inside to meditate or to take a break during work time. And what we do is we place this in office spaces for, like I said, to people to take a moment and kind of like rest from the workday and become more productive. Our product is quite unique because we live in a time where we're being bombarded with technology. Technology is being very all around us, and we were very stressed out and distracted. And we created something that allows you to kind of like be in the moment. And there's not really that many solutions like this out there, and this is kind of like a time where we really need it. Create a space where people can be by themselves or with friends or with coworkers. But what we're trying to do is trying to create a space where people actually don't bring their technology in, but they're actually just being very present. We have been working with inflatables for a long time, and the idea of creating an inflatable you could walk inside has always been something that we had in mind. And working through form, the idea of creating a cloud and like walking into a cloud was a little bit metaphoric and also a nice experience. Like everybody can relate to a cloud, and when they see it from the outside, and just with the moment you step inside and the kind of like your world changes around you is quite beautiful and powerful and allows you to become very present. So clouds was kind of like the way we wanted to create this experience since the get-go. Haven was designed as a flexible space that meant to be used in office spaces. Imagine like large Google spaces or like large corporations where people are actually working quite hard and they need a time to take a break. We have put them in architectural studios, design studios, gaming companies, and people really adapt how they want to use them. They can either meditate, they can just have a nap, have a meeting. It's really up to you how you want to use the space.